Hello friends! Welcome to Tattoo 18. Today, we are going to see how to use two types of needles in this tattoo, the 5-round liner and the 13 Magnum Shader Cartridge needle. I will clearly explain how and where I use each needle in this design. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel Tattoo 18 if you haven't already. Don't forget to comment your feedback about this video. Watch this full video without skipping because I will be sharing important technical details. And please share this video with anyone who wants to learn this beautiful skin art. Now, let's begin with the lining process. As usual, I used a 5-round liner for the name script. A 5RL is perfect for script tattoos because it gives clean, sharp, and controlled lines. When doing name tattoos, precision is very important. The thickness should be balanced, not too bold and not too thin. I maintain proper hand speed and consistent depth to avoid blowouts. Also, good skin stretching is very important while doing script work. Smooth hand movement gives an elegant finish to the lettering. After completing the outline and script with a 5-round liner, I switched to the 13 Magnum Shader Cartridge needle. This needle is mainly used for shading and color packing, since it has more needles grouped together. It helps to cover a larger area smoothly. I use soft pendulum and small circular motions to blend the shading properly. For this tattoo, I use dynamic black ink for the lining and deep shading areas. Dynamic black gives solid, bold saturation and heals very nicely. For the color part, I used Eternal Lipstick Red ink, which provides a bright and vibrant red tone. Proper layering and slow hand movement help in achieving rich color packing without damaging the skin. For the machine, I used the Falcon Pro wireless machine. It gives smooth and consistent power output. While watching the video, pay attention because I will show the exact machine speed and stroke information during the tattooing process. Machine settings play a major role in achieving clean results. Correct voltage, correct stroke, and correct hand speed. All three must work together. Always remember, tattooing is not just art, it's technique plus discipline. Choosing the right needle for the right purpose makes a huge difference in the final result. Keep watching till the end to fully understand the lining and shading process. Thank you so much for watching. Do keep supporting Tattoo 18. Your support motivates me to create more educational tattoo content for you. See you in the next video.